Good morning, Vlogmas. It is Vlogmas day 3. 3? I ordered a Korean skincare box, so I'm excited to unbox that. I also ordered a Medicube Booster Pro, I think it's called. So it's essentially a gadget for your face. So I'm excited to try that today. This is what the box looks like. It says Eternal Youth by Michelle Phan. Timeless beauty curated intentionally for you. I'm super excited. So first things first, I got this. This was an add-on to the beauty box, and it was on Black Friday sale. It is a Medicube HR Booster Pro, and I got the pink. I will be testing this baby out this morning. First is this little pamphlet. It has all of these skincare products and what they are used for. This is so cute. Okay, let's see what we have. There is a cleansing water. This is by Manio. This is a turnover ampoule, whatever that means. Let's see what this does. Rejuvenates damaged skin, reduces wrinkles, scars, boosts collagen with CDPDRN and hyaluronic acid. Exciting. She did mention that there was 2 sunscreens in here. This is the first one. This is the Complete No Stress Physical Sunscreen. This is a SPF 50. We love that. And I'm super excited to try this one because she put it over her makeup. This is Haru Wonder Black Bamboo Daily Soothing Sun Shield. And this one's also a 50 SPF. Ooh. In her video, she tested some of these products out. She literally glided this stick. Oh! It's a little cat. She literally glided it over her skin. I wish I had makeup on so I could try it. Definitely carrying this one in my purse. Next, we do have a Riedel shot. She said that this was micro needling in a bottle, so that really intrigued me. I'm really excited to try this. Maybe I will make a video when I do try this out. Next, this is the Mixsoon Bean Essence. I honestly don't know what an essence is, so let me read up on this one. It's an essence that helps reduce excessive sebum, and dead skin cells while also delivering hydration to dry skin. We do have another Mixsoon product. This is the soybean milk pads. These pre-soaked pads with highly concentrated lactobacillus and soybean ferment extract essence that deeply nourishes and moisturizes the skin. We also have Dr. Althea Vitamin C Boosting Serum. It is a lightweight vitamin C boosting serum for clear and radiant skin. I'm telling y'all, we're gonna have some beautiful glowy skin in 2025. Super excited, can't go wrong with vitamin C. So this I probably will test out right now. This is a Medicube Collagen Jelly Cream. I saw her use this with the Medicube, so I will be trying it. It's a gel cream enriched with 98% hydrolyzed collagen, offers anti-aging effect to improve skin elasticity. I definitely need to up my skincare game, so I feel like this will definitely help me do that. So I have no idea how to use this thing, so I'm gonna do what I always do. I'm gonna go on YouTube and TikTok to see how to use it. Let's do a live unboxing. Ooh, it smells like plastic. Honestly, if I didn't know what this was, I would think it's something else. Do I have to charge it? Because then that would be a problem. No, I don't. It turned on. Okay, let me turn it off. Okay. I'm gonna turn it off and I'm gonna figure it out. And then it seems to be pretty self-explanatory, like on and then the modes. But I need to figure out again what each mode was. Why did I say like that? What each mode is. So I'll be back. Okay, disclaimer, I'm a newbie using this, so do not take my advice, but I'm gonna follow a TikTok video. So first things first, I'm gonna use the air booster mode, I think it's called. They say that this is the only one that you actually use just on dry skin. So I cleansed my face, it's completely dry, so I'm gonna test that out. That is the blue light one, I think.
Air shot mode, level 1.
So air shot mode would be the first one that you use. It seems to be the one at the end. It also says that you should only use this one 1 to 3 times a week and then days apart. So yeah, for some reason it must be stronger. I don't know. You change the modes and then there's levels to it. We're gonna start on level 1 completely on all of them today. My thing is, does it start? Oh, I'm scared. I heard like an electric something. Oh. Ouch! I didn't expect it to give me a shot. I think I'm just being a little wee. Sweeping. Oh, okay. I see what it's doing. She said to do it like in sweeping motions, so let me give you guys a close-up. It almost feels like if you were to be microneedling, you kind of want to pull up and never drag your skin down. That's a given.
Booster mode.
Ah! Accidentally changed it. I honestly don't know if I'm doing this right, but we're trying our best. I'm sure once I get more comfortable with it, I'll try to do like another like actual like how to do. This is just me testing it out, FYI. I'm honestly like curious what a 4 feels like, but we're gonna work our way up. That was scary for being level 1. I like that it knows when to turn on. As soon as it touches your face is when it turns on. Now we're gonna try the booster mode, which is the red light. It says to do this in circular motions, so let's try that. Very interesting. I wonder if I should have spread this out first. Honestly, I'm not like a big skincare person. I just started getting into it, as you can tell by the look of my skin. I'm sure I'll get better at this for anyone judging me. Get all these baby hairs out of the way. I'm currently growing out my hairline. People said I couldn't do it, and I'm doing it. And that's on law of assumption and manifestation. Oops, I think for the micro booster, she said to do circles out and then back in. Didn't do that. We'll try that next time. It's a lot to remember. I'm gonna do micro current mode next. This is the green light. And this one looks like you just glide it. That is so interesting how it really just turns on when it's touching your skin. Ooh, I like this one. Y'all, I'm about to look 10 years younger. You guys have no idea. I really feel like it's about to transform my skin. You know, it's so funny that I found this box because I have been manifesting an appearance change. I just want to look a little more youthful. I have noticed a lot of changes in my skin as the older I get, so I just want to take better care of my skin. So I have been manifesting an appearance change, a more youthful look. And with that comes the tools. The universe will drop the tools in my hands that I need to make it happen. So I have been feeling more inspired to put a lot more work into my skincare. Like, I found this box literally called Eternal Youth. This gadget that seems to be really popular in making your skin and your collagen and all that. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm kind of like willy-nilly using this today, but I'll for sure when I'm, you know, doing it on my own time. Being a lot more conscious doing it. I'm just like still thinking about all the things I need to do today. I'm excited to try the Dharma shot mode because people say that it was a little uncomfortable. She essentially drags it, and she said wherever you feel like the most tension or tugging, you kind of want to let it sit there a few seconds. I think she said like that's something about that's where the muscles are. Again, don't listen to me, y'all. I don't know what I'm talking about. Interesting. Ooh, that feels so good. And then she did say she does circular motions around the crow's feet. Ugh. Our jawline's gonna be snatched. I feel like the stimulation from especially the derma booster was just really nice. So my face feels really relaxed. But yeah, I'm excited to keep using it. So I just got home from work. I'm going to do my nighttime skincare routine. I'm gonna try to use the micro booster. I know you can use it 1 to 3 times a day, so I'm gonna aim for twice a day, morning and night. I did see a big difference with how my makeup applied, so I'm excited to see the changes in my skin. So I will see you guys tomorrow.